Please don't cough through another video. Alright. Guys, I think I'm going to have to stop this video. What I'm going to do... I'm going to stop this video because I'm just coughing my whole way through it. Let me come back to you. I'm going to try and do it again tomorrow. I've kind of explained what's going on, and I just keep coughing constantly, and I don't want to have to keep doing that down the camera. I will still post this just so you know what's going on. But yeah, let me come back with the codependency video tomorrow. Alright. Lots of love, guys. Bye. Normal.